Welcome back, YouTubers. We are going to be using Gimp to create a banner for YouTube. So let's get into it. I have this program I downloaded. It's Gimp, and so basically, um, it says that it has to be 240 by 1152 pixels. So I went to File, New, and File, New, right? So New, then here you can put the size, so it's 2040 by 11. The width 2040 and the height is 715. And I went to advanced options, fill out with transparency, and then you click OK. So then you got your file. So that was my starting file. Then once I got that, I started to add my items, and the way I've been doing is each one I've been adding into my banner here next to the hands. And so for this program OBS, say since I have this open, right, I go print screen and I grab that, then I say copy to clipboard, and then we go here and Gimp, file, actually edit, paste as new layer, and then your image comes in and says pasted layer. So change the name so you know what if this is S. So then I change the name, and then I go to resize, scale, no, yeah, it's scale, this tool right here, scale, and then you hit the item, and then here I'm doing 150, then this one does automatically, scale, and got to move, actually let me just put this program in so you could see the clicks. Okay, so that's to zoom in, right? Okay, select move tool, like that, and so then I have all these layers here. I had the background, and I say file, save as. I make changes. I'm going to put 2 here so I keep track of looks. 2, save it, then go file, export as, and then here, and hit export. You can also hit here file by extension. I already have selected, so cancel, file, export, and I'm going to export as a PNG export. And see there, and export. Hit export again, then you go to your YouTube, and here go to customize channel, and here on basic information, go to layout. There you go. Branding. No. Yeah, it's under branding. Okay, branding, and I say change. So I have this one now. Open. That's how it's gonna look. And I click done, and then publish. The other thing I did is the video watermark. I use the same process, so I'll do another video for that. And like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Peace. See you next time.